Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a IoT-based woman safety system with location tracker. So let's check the full operation of our project first. So this is our full code of our system. We included two contact number. This two contact number will get SMS alert from this device. Now I will upload this one to our system first. It's uploading. Done uploading. Now we will open our serial monitor here. And system is ready now, so everything is okay. Now we will send a notification alert by pressing this button, and you will see in our serial monitor that our system is getting pumps from this push button. So I press this one. Our system is showing panic button pressed, buzzer on, off, sending SMS to this number with location data from this GPS module, and also from this to this number with GPS location data, and this both SMS alert number is in our same phone. So you see here that we get here two SMS in this part, two SMS. So I pressed here, it's two. So you see here that here we get two, it's now GSM alert. So we entered here. So we get here two alert with emergency alert and emergency alert. It's showing here on the two SMS cause our two SIM card is in same phone, and that's why we get this two location map. So we can check this one. We pressed here that our location is situated where. So it's our location, and you see here that our system is showing that it's nearest of our engineers Butty lab BD. So it's our engineers Butty lab BD, and our location is showing perfectly here. So again we show here another options. We set here our number, and we will send from our Robi SIM card, and our location text location. We need to send this command to our system, and our serial monitor is showing new SMS received. You see that our new SMS received from this Robi number and sent to this same number by with our location data also. So we will get here a location data. You see that we get this message at 11:48, and this time is showing 11:48. So it's getting here now. So same location is showing because our phone is set here in same place. So again we press to alert system from this switch. Buzzer is running. So our panic button is pressed, showing here, and our SMS is sending to our system. Our 2 number is getting the alert in a short time. This one is now, it's showing now, and it's emergency alert, and we getting here 2 emergency alert. After location sending message, we get here a simple location data, but when we press this button, at that moment we get emergency alert mentioned location map, I need help, and location data, and we get it in Robi. Upper one is received by our Robi SIM, and a lower part or next SMS alert is received by our Grameen phone. So our both SIM is getting here the alert from this device properly. So again we can check it. So it's showing something at in our Google Map location, and by using this system we can get location from anywhere of world. So it's showing it's in Bangladesh, then we can zoom it again. So it's near Dhaka, it's near our engineers Butty lab BD. So you hear that it's our engineers Butty lab BD, and our system is working perfectly. So one step is till now not showing you, it's our high voltage generator system. When any unknown person will disturb any woman, at that moment he can press this red switch for attack or uh, save herself. So its uh, distance is high, that's why we. So I think you hear the sound properly. So it's high voltage generator, it's operated from 5 volt DC, and it's make high voltage output. It make any types of short circuit or hamper any unknown person. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again, and Allah Hafiz.